What's up, everybody? This is yours truly, just giving y'all a quick update video. Sorry about the damaged plastics. I'm gonna be replacing those soon, but I just wanted to give a quick update video about some of the modifications I've made since my last video. I did replace this intake manifold. It's a stock intake manifold because I haven't been able to find the proper manifold that's short enough, that's non-EGR, and so I can put it all together and fit and clear this crossbar right here. But other than that, brand new 26 millimeter CVT carburetor, 44 millimeter UD air filter, and you probably can see it, maybe not, but behind that is a little makeshift splash guard right here that I put. Let me go around. Put that little makeshift splash guard there, so if I'm riding in wet temperatures or what have you, and the tire is not going to fling all that water and stuff on the air filter. It'll just instead hit that and go back to the ground like it's supposed to. That good stuff. Other than that, I went ahead and put on a full rear fender because I was riding around. Water was flinging up from the back wheel, hitting me up on my back, and ever since I put the full piece back on, it's kept my back nice and dry when I have to ride in the rain. And there's enough clearance between the rear tire and the rear guard that where I'm not rubbing against the rear guard, so that's good. Other than that, it's basically waiting on brand new back plastics. About to replace the bucket, the seat bucket, and possibly the seat itself. Went ahead and replaced this ignition coil with another Chemco stock coil because the old one had burned out, so I went and replaced it with a new one. And that's about it, other than this right here. I originally had EGR head and valve cover. I went ahead and replaced the head, put on a non-EGR head and valve cover, so that way I could just went ahead and got rid of all the EGR stuff, and it's been running much better ever since then. And I had to because the ground wire had melted off somehow magically, so I went ahead, just stripped some of the rubber cover off of it and tied it up and wrapped it around the connecting end, and so far so good, and I'm happy with it, and it allows me to start up just fine. I'll go ahead and give y'all a quick start up to give y'all an idea of how it sounds under current configuration, and this is how I'm going to keep it, other than replacing the plastics and stuff like that. Like the next time I do upgrades, it will be to the CVT. It'll be for the CVT. You'll probably get a either SSP-G kit, which I've used before with great results on my previous scooter, or I'll probably go with the Kao kit, the Kao CVT transmission kit. Might go ahead and go with that in the future, but in the meantime, I'm just keeping everything as is. Of course, with getting those replaced. All right, enough talk. Let's get her started. And forgot to mention, but in the carburetor right now I have a 35 pilot jet and a 115 main jet, and I did that intentionally so I can run a little rich, not have to worry about running lean, not have to worry about destroying a piston. So far so good, because because I changed my spark plug a little bit a couple of weeks back, pulled the spark plug with that configuration, with of that jet configuration, and it was the plug was a nice chocolate brown, as it's supposed to be on the plug. So I know I got my air fuel tuning proper. It's just I need to like I said, need to find a bigger intake manifold that's short enough so that way I can mount everything and it will clear the frame, so everything will be a nice fit. Other than that, that's all for now. Y'all take care.